We are moving. Let's go. Happy Thursday, February 1st. It's February 1st. Sorry. Of course, I was like ready to go, and then I started listening to music and I got distracted. I need to get on TikTok, but I think they banned me from going live on that one, so I'm just going to go on the other, and we'll just do that because someone was being a hater yesterday. I think I know who. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Say good morning in the chat, please. Loading. Let's go live. All right. I'm live on TikTok. I'm going to need someone to share this. I thought Jen was back today. Jen's not back today. Did you guys see what happened at that bottom there? Oh, Jackie, can you share the link in the group? Jen is not going to be on the live, and I'm on a different account today, so I want to make sure people know where I'm at.
Order canceled.
Vizzy took along and had a loss. Hey, Michael. Yeah, if any of you can share the TikTok link in the chat for today, I can post it in announcements, and that would be awesome. Good morning, Michael M. Hi, Tino. We are being patient today. Listen, we had a really nice student call this morning. We are not eager beavers today. Thank you, Rod. Thank you, Rod. I appreciate it. I just want to make sure, yep, that's working. Cool. Good morning. It's Thursday, February 1st. If you're new here, my name is Lauren.
Submitted.
I go live every day. Thank you, Jackie, as well. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. And the other one got a little messed up yesterday, so we're going to be here for a few days. Hey, Lauren, make some money today. P.S. I'll be joining with Apex in a few months. Yay, Danny, I've missed you. I love when I see people coming back. Like, I understand sometimes people have to leave, personal things going on, financial things are crazy. But when people come back, it's so exciting. Like, Andon, I'm also speaking of you. Thanks, Jackie. All right, I have a little bit of a cold today, so if I sound nasally, I think that's why. I did not get up and take any emergency that everyone in the student call told me to do, but I will be taking something in a bit when I am done with the live at 10:30. Y'all, I played 3 hours of pickleball yesterday. 3 hours. Oh, let's talk about the algos, though. We are 3 for 3 overnight. Yesterday, we were 7 for 7. We're 3 for 3 overnight. NQ evening, ES night. Let me pull back here. ES night, right to target right there. NQ night and NQ evening both hit last night. This is NQ
Target
evening.
filled.
Target filled. What is that? NQ early? Nope, but NQ early is in a trade right now, which just hit target. Oh, I know. It's one of these ones that I'm testing. Let's go. I got to get my little buzzers on. We got to push. Let's go. NQ early and ES early are both in longs. Target filled. We are 4 for 4 on the day. We need some eggs in the chat. So, so this was NQ evening last night, and then this was NQ night, and now this is NQ early. So we are 3 for 3 on the day on NQ. We are actually 4, and then 1 for 1 on ES. 2 for 2 on ES if this early hits, but we don't run early on Thursday, so we're pretty much, all of the ones we run on Thursday are all, Vizzy's in a $300 long. Hold on, let's check that out. Vizzy is in a 300. So the first trade was a loss.
Order canceled.
I really like showing you guys this because I think it really shows the opportunities that Vizzy gives you. It had a
Order
loss
submitted.
for $200 on the first trade. Not a big deal. Then it went, I don't know how, so it was 314. It went to 337. That's like 25 points. That's $500 on this long. So you could have closed it when you saw 500 and you'd be up $300 on the day. You know what I mean? That's where, yeah, NQ early hit. Well, if you're still waiting, we will push with you and get this back up. If you saw that magic line, remember, some people in the group, some others will be like, oh, hit or whatever. Some people adjust a little bit of their stuff. Here we go, moving back up. We're also in a long on Vizzy. Let's see if we can get over this key level here. But if you're in premium, also, the magic line is so helpful. Just kind of keep you in the spatial awareness of what's happening. It's like a whole mix of
Order
stuff.
submitted.
I'm going to put this in the premium channel now. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat if you want more information. All right, we're going to get it. Target 260. We're going to get 260.
Target filled.
What? That's definitely not our target. That's your target. Steven. I have someone in the group who's Steven, but it's written as Stefan, so I don't know if it's Stefan or Steven. I'm not sure. Oh, that's crazy. Hi, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I go live every day. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 1 to 2 p.m. Jen goes live. Jen is still on vacation. I know. I just get distracted with DMs. I just have to minimize them, or else then that's where all my focus goes, and I don't want to do that during this live stream. Let's see if this Vizzy and the NQ early can move up a bit more. Okay, so listen, we already have that. We don't need... we're gonna... Thanks for the follows. We already have our plan for today. So, Steven, don't worry. We already have our plan. This is our manual plan, but we're not here talking about manual trades. We're talking about the fully automated algorithm that you're seeing in front of you, where NQ early already hit target, NQ evening hit target, NQ night hit target, and ES night also hit target. All done for us while we're sleeping, while we're hanging out, while we're eating, whatever it might be, while we're playing pickleball. It is what it is. Yes, yes, yes. All right, let's see. We're still in. Yep, Charlie, I hear you. I hear you. Rod said the same thing. I hear you. I hit, again, some people have different targets in the group, so that's where you'll get a little off. Remember, the targets that I'm giving you are really great and they do really well. But there are some people in the group that change them. So they could have slightly different results, which would also mean that they're potentially not making as much if they have a smaller target. All right, we'll see what happens here. See if we can push back up. We need to get back up to this area. See if we can push back to, well, I know what it is. We have to get over 23.
Order submitted.
And 25. Let's see. Thanks for the follows. Yeah, so if you're new here, again, I go live every day. Typically, this account will go live twice a day, and then we go live a third time a day with Kyle. Kyle, are you on here? His handle is Futures Trader. Also, he has a YouTube, which is Futures Trader. And I have a YouTube, which is BoldBot.
Order submitted.
So if you want to follow me on YouTube or go watch any of our past live streams, they're all archived on YouTube. BoldBot, as you can see on the screen here. So ES early is still not long, but we don't run ES early on Thursdays. And a lot of you are still in the NQ long, so we'll see if we can push up here. We got to get over this 23, then we got to get over 25, and then we got to get over 35. So let's push. Let's go, NQ. Push, push, push. Push, 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 push. Push, NQ. And yesterday was FOMC, so the day after FOMC is typically a little funky.
Order submitted.
I gotta look at the thing with Peter later. YM hit target. Nice. Vizzy is red. 300. So the thing about Vizzy is it's better. Oh, I wonder if I'm gonna pull up the other one. It's better at the beginning of the week than the end of the week, which is kind of funny. But like Monday, Tuesdays are its best days. Do I have this? Oh, I do. They're actually pretty similar. All right, we're moving back up. We're back at that 25. Let's see if we can get up to 35 and 40 so everyone can be filled on that trade. Where's Vizzy Long? Right here. Cool. But yeah, that second trade on Vizzy went green 500. It's just hard for me to manage because I am 35. All right, 185 on this Vizzy Long, 210. Here we go, here we go, here we go. We're at 30. What do you guys need? Tell me what you need in the chat for your NQ early. What's your target? Let's go, let's go. We're at 33. We're at 33. We're at 33. I wonder if that's this one or this one. 34. Got it. What do you need? 38. 38. All right. Yeah, we got to 30. We got to 37.75. That was really close. Everyone needs 38. 34.50. Well, you should have gotten that 34.50 just then, Jody. All right, 38. Come on, here we go. 32. Push, push, push. 32. We got to get above 35. The magic line is at 35. 275 on this Vizzy run up. I really need to start giving more attention on a eval to Vizzy. And like on that $500, I could have just closed it out. But I just feel like I'm juggling so much in the morning. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So it's not like ideal for me, but it could be ideal for you if things aren't crazy for you in the morning. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's getting a little more strength here. Up, 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 up. Let's go. Up, 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 up. We just got to get over 35, and then all of you can get hit at 38. Yeah, make sure you give me a follow. We go live every day, Monday through Friday, showing you my auto trading algorithm on the futures market. Let's go. Up, up, up. 32. Come on. You got to get over 35. Got to get over 35. It went to 34.75 a minute ago. Got to get over 35. That's where the magic line is. Go. Go. Oh, yours is 38. Go. 38. Come on. Come on. Everyone needs 38. Let's go. Let's push. Let's push. If we can get over this 35, y'all, we're getting this 38. Let's go. And this is Vizzy, obviously, in a $300 long. So I want that to keep running also. Let's go. Push. Push up. 31, 32. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go NQ. Up. Up, up. Up, up. Up, up. What time is it? Oh, there's a report at 9:45. Let's see if this helps us. Okay, come on. Back up. Back up. Back up. All right, above 25. Good. We got to get above 30. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Back above 30 and then get through 35. Up, up, up. Come on. Come on, NQ. What was this report at 9:45? There's another report at 10 o'clock,
Order
too.
submitted. Order submitted.
Up, 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 up. We got to get back above 25. Back above 25. What are their orders submitted? Oh, no, not Vizzy. I'm going to close that one so that. Well, yeah, exactly. No, But that's why that's why, Brady, you have, there we go, there we go.
Target filled.
35, 35. Go, 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 go. Let's go. Let's go. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. It went to 35 again. Did you see that, Brady? It went to 35 again. Who's DMing? Oh. Okay. Well, that's fine. 100%. Let's go. Back up. Back up. Over 25 and then over 35. This 35 is crazy. We have to, if we can get over 35, we're good. We're going to keep running. We have to get over 35. Let's go. Listen, if I don't know my shit, I know my shit. Do you see this 35? Do you see this 35? This is one of my algos. Look at this. Here, 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 here. 35. Back up. Back up. Back up, NQ. Back up. Seems like it wants to, but it just has to get through that 35. Gotta get back over 20 and 25. Back up. Back up. 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 Up, NQ. Let's just start listening. Here we go. All right, back in the 20s. Okay, we got to get over 25 and then 35. Up, up, up. All right, 22. Come on. 23, 24. Get over 25. Get over 25. Nice job. People are putting their results in. Maybe if I don't look and I just let her do her thing. Maybe she's being shy like ES. I hope Laura's doing well. I was just thinking about her. Actually, I was thinking about her earlier today, too. Where's my owl? Back up. Back up. NQ. Back up. 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 Oh. He was not behaving. Well, all the nights were good. 3 for 3 overnight. We were still waiting on NQ early. We need to get back above 20. Ugh.
Order submitted.
All right, visual had a loss. The day after FOMC is shitty. And we talked about this on the student call. It's just, it doesn't cooperate. Like, the overnight stuff is always good, but the morning stuff, I wonder if that should be a thing. Like, Thursdays are fine, but not the day after FOMC. Do you know what I mean? And that's why we talked about it on the student call this morning, which is why being a student gives you another leg up on this whole situation. And that's why we don't run a lot of setup on Thursdays. Oh, nice. All right, let's see if we can move back up. Taco Beezy. Yeah, we have a report in 10 minutes, too. We're back up to 20. People are posting in results. Very nice. Yep, Taco Bell time. See if we can get back up. We're at 15. Yeah, 9 minutes for the next report. Hey, Charlie said I could use a taco. Thanks for the likes. Make sure you tap that screen. Hit that thumbs up if you're on YouTube, please. I appreciate it so much. That's all I ask of you, is that you tap the screen and hit the thumbs up if you're on YouTube. That's so awesome. My views was deleted. I will be trading tomorrow for sure. Slight inconvenience.
Order submitted.
That is an inconvenience. That does sound like an
Order
inconvenience.
submitted.
For sure. Busy's in a new long. All right, can we get the run here? Can we get the run? We're back up to 20. We got to get above 25. Then we got to get above 35. Let's go. 22. Girls ready. Let's go. Run it up into the 10 o'clock report. Let's go. You got it. You got it, NQ. You got it, girl. Come on. Get above 20. Get above 25. And then get above 35. Just listen to me. Just listen. Just stop being so stubborn.
Order canceled.
She's not listening to me. If we can hold here, maybe the 10 o'clock report will swing us up there. It's the ISM report. Come on. Go back up to 20. Go back up. Go back up. So 7 minutes. So we'll see what happens then. Sometimes I feel like, like sometimes minutes will fly by, but whenever I'm waiting for a report, even if it's like a minute away, I'm like, oh, it's taking so long. All right, 13. Let's see, 14. Let's get back up to 20. It's 9:54. Still 6 minutes. Well, if you were using the magic line, probably like Michael was. So, oh. Well, that's good. She was very close. That works too, Seely. Exactly, Laura. It's so true. Awesome, Moonshine. Moonshine shut down his day stuff before the market opened because he had such a great night. And he said, thanks, Lauren. Yeah, I'm glad you were listening, and I'm glad that information helped you. Again, we could still hit here. I'm not saying it's impossible. It's just the day after FOMC is just tough at the market open. The market just doesn't know what it wants to do. And that just makes for hard setups and hard moves. So we're at 14. Let's see if we can push up 5 minutes until the report. 5 minutes until the 10 o'clock report. Kay Lavender said I did the same thing. Very good. You guys are listening. I love when you guys listen. You're so awesome. Like, obviously, I just want it to hit. I want everything to be super easy in life, but that's not reality. So... Oh, RTY range hit too, but that's a no on Thursday. But I'll put it in the spreadsheet just so we have the data. Again, the spreadsheet is color-coded, and if it's gray, we don't trade on that day. Well, like, we don't trade it live. I still run it in simulation so I can get the data, because maybe something turns around later on in life, and it's a good idea, All right, 4 minutes until the report. Four minutes. All right. It's 9:57. I'm still not taking the student play yet. This magic line really played out. Like, it's crazy how strong it is. Still kind of hanging out at 95. Two minutes till the report. Hey, Jason, how are you? 2 minutes until the report. Are you sure it's not further down? Thanks, BHM. I appreciate it. Hi. We're not in any trades right now. Some people are still in NQ early. I'm not in any trades right now. I'm seeing if Peter can... Hi. How are you? Back to 300. We have a report in 1 minute. We have a report. Let's get a stellar report and fly up. And then our day's done. Back at 300.
Order submitted.
All right. Report. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Let's go. Up. 8 seconds. 7 seconds. Up. Let's get a big skyrocket. It's 10 o'clock.
Order canceled.
Oh, no. Oh, no. That was not a skyrocket. Why does my candle look... My data looked frozen. Let's see if it can come back up. That ISM data came in. It was like block. Did you see that like big red block? All right, let's see. We can go back up. Let's see if we go back up to 300. This could be the fake out. And the student play is playing, but the students really, unless they're super experienced, shouldn't be in the trade right now because of that report. Yeah, so I use funded accounts and cash accounts. Yeah. That's too bad. There's gonna have to be a asterisk on the day after FOMC about NQ early. Look, now it's gonna come back up.
Order
About
submitted.
NQ early. Honestly. Because I'm still not convinced about the short. Honestly. Yeah, so Apex is really good. Some people like take profit trader? Something like that.
Order submitted.
The short might be ready now.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I'm going to have to make that an asterisk. And that's why we had NQ early for no on Thursdays for a really long time. But it's been doing well, probably because we haven't had an FOMC in 6 weeks. That's probably why. And it might have even been delayed. It might have even been longer since we had FOMC.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let me see. Because of like the holidays and stuff, I don't know if it's been longer.
Order canceled.
No. I wonder if I put a note in there if it will stay there. Like for every week. Rod, were you on the student call this morning? I'm gonna move this over.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, because it got to the bottom of the box? Is that why? I don't know. I hate this freaking target. But this candle didn't even go. No, it must have just been a... Vizzy's in a long.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Oh, what a surprise. We're back above 300. I told you. I don't trust this short yet. I asked you if you were on the student call this morning. What's up, EJ? Yeah, you were? Okay, cool. Did you... Ooh, we're in a $500 long on Vizzy. Did you kind of... Yeah, well, I guess it just wouldn't be applied. Hope they're not on the same... All right, green 510 on this Vizzy long. It is red on the day though, and again, it's Thursday. You're right. Just to tap it out and then be like, oh, we're back up at 325. The 323. The significance. Nice job, William. All right, it is 10:05. Cool. Does that answer your question, Lai? Oh, that's fine. Oh, he didn't mean to run it. Yep, so that's what you have to take into consideration. Actually, you're not a student. No, you're not. You're not. And guys, I'm not sure why people are running every single strategy on every single account they have. That is not something you should be doing. So if you put NQ early on all of your accounts, green $800 on this Vizzy run. If you put NQ early on all of your accounts and it loses, like that is an issue. That is an issue, and you're going to bust your accounts. But it seems like every time I say this, nobody listens. It's just like, oh, what? It's risky to run it on all of my accounts. I'm glad it helped. Nick did not run NQ early because of what I said in the student call today. Green over $1,000 on this Vizzy run. Better coordinate and diversify for sure. Well, of course, this is exactly what I said, Rod. I said this is exactly what was going to happen after the report. But, like, we can't control that. But what we can control is listening on the student call where I said the day after FOMC is not easy. It's not easy. They tried to fake us out like 3 times already. Do you see on this short? And I said I didn't believe it. They tried to fake us out here. They tried to fake us out here. And they tried to fake us out here. And I said I did not believe that short. I was not in line with that short. And now we're in a $1,300 long on Vizzy. William, you better set this up on some micros. Even if you do the cross.
Target filled.
Even if you do the cross on your, I sent your list to Irma to say, okay, cool. All right, good. Irma doesn't have them, so there's no double dipping there, which is great. Yes, you should. Cool. Sounds good, Peter. Nice job, Tim. Proud of you. Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing. Very good, Nick. NQ early took another trade, 2 for 2 for me on NQ early. I know most people are probably 0 for 1. Nice job, Kenny. That's what happens with new traders. But again, Peter, no one should have been manually trading until at least 10:05. And even then, yes, there was a drop. You could have gotten maybe a little bit off of this. And again, that 300 to 70, that was a 30-point drop. So it's not small. You easily should have gotten something, and then your break-even offset's coming in or whatever. Yeah, sure thing, Rod. I totally get it. And it sucks to have a loss. Like, I hate when you guys have a loss. Like, I feel like I take it on just as much, if not more, as you guys, because it's frustrating to me as well. Irma missed by 1 tick. Yeah. Yep. So again, this is diversifying. We have to understand the risk. This is part of it. I'm glad Deb diversified though, because 2 of her accounts are still green and then 3 are red. But it did take a second trade, which was a win. Well, since my VPS was no loss, no gain, I'll take this as a learning process, right? You were spared. It's 10-12.
Order submitted.
What am I eating? Nothing. All right. Vizzy's still red on the day, but only like 400 now. And it's a no on Thursday anyway. But that was a fun run. Good job, Christopher. He said I refuse to take the short before the report. He's like, the head nod's not getting me.
Order submitted.
Do we pull back to 35? 31. I listen on my headset, so every noise you make comes through. Oh, like my clicking? What's the sound?
Order submitted.
I was typing. I wasn't doing anything but typing. I have nothing to eat. I have my tea, which is almost empty, and that's it. Weird. Maybe it's like a weird connection. Oh, it says unstable. Hold on. Let me see if I can do anything about that. I'm not on Wi-Fi. It says unstable connection. I don't know. What the hell do I do with that? Well, I'm going to wrap it up soon anyway. If it's crackling in your ear, Charlie, feel free to get off of here. Yeah, no, that's something weird. I think that's this unstable connection. Oh, now it says I have a good connection. Is it any better now? Oh, weird. Let me type again. She's professional. Keyboard fingers are fast. I don't know. What? Is it any, okay, now it's better? Okay, it must have been the connection, because it said, like, poor connection. Now it says good connection. And I'm still typing. Alright, I'm going to wrap this up in a second. Vizzy's in another long at the top here. But again, not running it on Thursdays anyway. Thursdays are a tough day. Listen, I'm giving a lot of free information away today. Your keyboard isn't as loud. Maybe I was typing softly because I'm not yelling at anyone. When I'm yelling at someone, I type very loud. I was thinking about getting a quiet keyboard. Should I not do that? I'm thinking now. All right, it's 10:17. I'm going to, if you had the one loss on NQ today, I'm sorry. It's not personal, I promise. The overnight action was awesome. 3 for 3 overnight, and then 1 for 2 on the NQ early. If you have the standard settings, some people have a smaller target, and they're probably 2 for 2, which is frustrating, but you know, you guys have the ability to do that because I give you the access to the whole setup. It's not like you get the code and then, or like you get the algorithm and you can't adjust anything. You guys can adjust. Overnight was great. Overnight is always great after FOMC. I think it's because London is reacting and they're getting a big move. Like they want a big move that we had. You know what I mean? Like they're closed when Powell speaks. They're closed when the interest rate decision comes out. But when they open, they're like, oh, we want some of that run. So then they have a run, and it's great. But then when the market reopens for the U.S., it's kind of just like crap, and people are trying to figure it out. Chris said, when we listen to the guru, we win. Don't get my head any bigger than it is, okay? It's enormous. I'm going to go play some pickleball. I'm really excited. I played 3 hours yesterday, which is insane. I never thought I would play 3 hours. I played 2.5 hours on Monday and 2.5 hours on Tuesday and 3 hours on Wednesday. It's clearly becoming my new identity. Let's be honest. I have a problem. When I like get into things, she's the Oracle people. Get it right. Oh, Oracle's better than Guru? Okay, well tell Chris. Chris put it in the group. You have to go yell at him now. Okay, Lavender. Alright, and I gotta figure out this William thing. Alright, I need to pay William. Listen, you bring me people, I will give you money. You bring people, you get free months of the algo. You bring people, you get free months of premium. Like, tell your coworkers, tell your friends, tell your family. Plus, then they're going to make money and they're going to be happy they're there anyway. So, it's a win-win-win-win-win for all three of us. Oh, it was 1 tick away. I'm testing this new setup and it was literally just 1 tick away from target. It will get there. Come on. Come on.
Order
there
canceled.
It goes. All right.
Order canceled.
It hit target. He's not going to tell you. Kenny is never going to tell you what he sees. He's going to prompt you. That is not at all. There's none. All right. Cool. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. Have a great day. Have a great day. And I'll be back tomorrow. Again, Jen will not be live today. I thought she was. I apologize if I misspoke yesterday. She will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, February 2nd. I will be live tomorrow morning. And we'll have a great day. Boop, boop, boop. Put it in here, Kenny. Put it in the thread. All right, bye guys. Bye. Bye YouTube.